1. For sale is a stunning 1963 Chevrolet C10 for $14,000. A car that not only carries a unique style, but also features numerous enhancements to give it excellent performance. Equipped with Promax 202 angle aluminum heads, Lunati Voodoo distributor, roller rockers, Edelbrock carburetor and intake manifold, Axle electronic ignition, and other modifications for improved performance. The 700R4 transmission has been upgraded, and the braking system has been strengthened with 5-lug disc brakes and 2.5-inch dropped spindles. Progressive springs and a stabilizer provide more comfortable handling. The interior is adorned with a stylish Grant tilt steering wheel and an odometer gauge panel. This Chevrolet C10 attracts attention with its shine, but it should be noted that the car requires some work due to rust. The driver's side window is cracked, and the speedometer is not functional. The seller honestly notes the shortcomings, including rust, but emphasizes that it is a reliable truck that garners admiring looks and comments wherever it goes. 2. For sale is a stylish 1972 Plymouth Duster, representing a beautiful example of automotive classic. This magnificent car, standing the test of time, is looking for a new owner at a price of $10,500. The car is equipped with a reliable 225-pound 6-cylinder slant engine paired with a 904-speed automatic transmission. The factory air conditioning system ensures comfortable driving. The car has undergone several updates to give it a modern look and enhance its performance. This Duster features 17-inch wheels with new tires and a braking system with 13-inch front discs and new rear drums. Manual brake. The interior is rated at 9 out of 10 points, thanks to the new carpeting and front grille. Some minor paint touch-ups are needed on the exterior. The owner notes that the car is in good condition without significant damage or issues. This 1972 Plymouth Duster offers the opportunity to acquire a stylish classic car at an affordable price, while preserving its historical value and the original appearance. 3. For sale is a unique 1966 Chevrolet Chevy Van G20 priced at $7,500, representing a true collector's car. This historical masterpiece not only captures attention with its exterior, but also boasts a fascinating history. With only 8,000 miles on the odometer, this car has demonstrated its reliability and uniqueness. The automatic transmission and the exterior black color add extra mystery and style. The car is fully paid off and ready for new adventures. The original engine has been replaced with a more powerful 283 engine, equipped with a new radiator, generator, starter, and battery. Wiring and hoses have also been replaced. While the car is ready for operation, some minor improvements could enhance its perfection. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevy Van G20 is an ideal choice for collectors and car enthusiasts who appreciate not only beauty, but also uniqueness in the history of the automotive world. Its series of adventures is just beginning, and now it's looking for a new owner ready to continue its story. 4. For sale is the magnificent 1985 Buick Regal Grand National priced at $42,000, representing a true museum on wheels. This car attracts attention with its black exterior, and its impeccable condition has perfectly preserved it throughout its fascinating history. With only 12,500 miles on the odometer, this Grand National is a real gem for collectors. The automatic transmission, black exterior, and gray interior create a stylish appearance, emphasizing the exclusivity of this car. This car has been stored in a museum for most of its life, under climate control. As a result, every detail, every rubber seal has remained in perfect condition, preserving the authenticity of this time capsule. All original documents are preserved, and the car has already passed the emissions compliance inspection in California, ready for new adventures. Delivery is possible. The 1985 Buick Regal Grand National is not just a car. It's an opportunity to acquire a historical value that will continue to delight its new owner and inspire admiration in the years ahead. 5. For sale is the magnificent 1966 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE for $18,900, representing a true symbol of style and class. This exceptional car, with only 3,000 miles on the odometer, is in excellent condition and provides a unique opportunity to acquire classic beauty. With automatic transmission, white exterior, and black interior, this Mercedes-Benz 220 SE Coupe attracts attention with its refined design. The owner has preserved this car since the 1970s, giving it a special character and uniqueness. The recent restoration of the body and paint, along with numerous chrome upgrades, gives this car a timeless chic. The engine has been overhauled, ensuring excellent performance. While there are some minor assembly works to be done, this car is ready to become a centerpiece of a collection and provide the new owner with the indescribable pleasure of driving. The California title ensures a clean history. This is a unique opportunity, and it can be considered a chance to own a splendid example of classic German automotive engineering. 6. For sale is the magnificent 1964 Sunbeam Alpine convertible for $22,500. This red convertible captures attention with its refined beauty and unique style. Currently, the car has undergone complete technical maintenance, is in excellent condition, and is ready to delight its new owner. Since the last owner, the car has covered 173,460 miles under reliable guidance. It is equipped with a manual transmission, adding to the driving pleasure and making every trip unforgettable. The exterior of the car is highlighted by the red color, while the interior is styled in black, giving it a sense of elegance. The owner has invested over $25,000 in maintaining the car, including new seat upholstery, new tires, and a completely rebuilt transmission. The car has had several previous owners, and the current owner is the third owner of this classic beauty. Although the owner couldn't get used to the manual transmission, this Sunbeam Alpine is ready to find its new owner who can enjoy every kilometer in this elegant and stylish convertible. With new tires, a rebuilt transmission, and thorough technical maintenance, this car presents an excellent opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. 7. Currently available for sale is the splendid 1967 Ford Bronco, an offer that is hard to miss. Priced at $45,000, this car embodies a historic combination of style and power. It has traveled 60,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and proudly carries a powerful gasoline engine under the hood. This car has had only 2 owners, and its current owner has kept it since 1984. The absolute dreeness of California is reflected in its condition, having spent its entire life sheltered in a garage. Regular care and careful storage ensure that the car shows no signs of rust whatsoever. At the heart of this Bronco is an automatic transmission coupled with a reliable 289 engine. This engine delivers stunning performance, making it perfect for daily driving. Additional features include power steering and new tires, making it reliable and easy to operate. The structural integrity of this car is impressive. No rust, new tires, solid floors, and details that make this Bronco a true collector's car. The VN code matches the title, and the body remains exceptionally straight, with no signs of accidents or collisions. This 1967 Ford Bronco is not just a car. It's a historical icon ready to welcome its next owner. 8. Currently available for sale is the unique 1956 Ford Fairlane, priced at only $14,500. This car, with a mileage of 40,000 miles, will be a true gem for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Equipped with a 292 cubic inch engine, it restores the splendor and style of the 1950s. One of the unique features of this Fairlane is its 3-speed manual transmission, giving it additional character and uniqueness on the road. And to add even more elegance, the doors and handles have been integrated into the framework, creating an impeccable exterior. The technical maintenance of this car was recently carried out, confirming its excellent condition and readiness for new adventures on the roads. This Ford Fairlane rightfully carries a clean title, and its mileage is verified. It's not just a car. It's a work of art, designed to captivate with its appearance and sound at any distance. 9. Currently offered for sale is the unique 1963 Buick Riviera, available at a price of $39,500. This magnificent car has only traveled 33,591 miles and represents a true specimen of exceptional classic design. Manufactured in California and always garage kept, this car has been maintained in exceptional condition. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Riviera possesses extraordinary style and elegance. The black exterior, combined with the brown interior, creates a delightful contrast, setting this car apart from others. This car is truly a time capsule and one of a kind. The captivating wheels, original to the Riviera, make it genuinely unique. It's not just a car, it's a true work of art that emphasizes the history and heritage of Buick. It will take you a long time to find another such beautiful specimen. 10. Currently, you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of the stunning 1961 Ford Falcon, presented at the price of $14,000. This beautifully preserved station wagon with only 84,000 miles on it is a true find for enthusiasts and collectors. The automatic transmission, white exterior, and red and white interior make this Falcon particularly attractive. The excellent condition is emphasized by the cleanliness of the car both inside and out. The interior has been restored in the original red and white tones, giving the car an authentic look. The windows and tires are in excellent condition, and the appearance is maintained by the superb condition of the paint. This Falcon will not only be a great investment considering the growing value of station wagons, but also a wonderful car for comfortable rides. Don't miss your chance to acquire this unique specimen that is destined to delight its new owner.